So, hi dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is no contact reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 29th of December. The roles can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also if it is not resonating, not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in description box. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. If you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. And if you have any queries, you can mail us on the borderandsannyasini@gmail.com. The previous mail is not working. Let's see. Aquarius, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the King of Wands, the Tower, and the Knight of Pentacles. This is someone who feels like they are no longer as passionate about you as they were, or they are no longer as attracted to the idea of reconnecting with you as they were at some point of time. They feel like they should remain grounded and they should remain practical about the situation, and they should be mature enough to understand that few things we can't change, few things we can't get just by sheer passion or just by sheer energy of wanting something or someone by your side. So someone's illusion or delusion is breaking here, where they were continuously living in some kind of illusion of, okay, if I'm going to do this, Aquarius is going to do that. If I'm going to behave like this, Aquarius is going to react like that. So something exactly opposite of what they felt like is going to happened with them, and now they're realizing it's not working out. So they feel like remaining grounded, with the idea of remaining practical and logical about the situation instead of all passionate about it. And they're continuously in this energy of, okay, let's come back to the reality. Let's come back to the reality. Stay in the reality. Stick to the reality. 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 Yeah. Let's see what this person wants from you. We have the Judgment, the Ten of Swords, the Queen of Swords. Wow, they want some kind of action from your side. Okay, they want you to be as passionate, as aggressive towards them, towards them as they were at some point of time with you. Wow, they are not looking forward to have a harmonious kind of relationship or a forgiveness kind of energy, or asking for forgiveness or seeking forgiveness. They are no longer in that energy anymore. They're in this energy of, okay, if Aquarius wants to save this connection, or if they want me, they have to do something about it, because I am done. I can't do anything about it. From my side, I'm done doing everything. I'm done saying everything. Now Aquarius is the one who have to take the action, and they are the one who have to do something about it, because I'm done. This is what they want. My God. It's like if they are stopping what they wanted to do, now they want like you to do that. Oh God, this is complicated beyond words actually. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 29th of December. We have the Knight of Wands, Page of Swords, Queen of Swords, fighting with you. Fighting. I do see fighting. I do see arguments. I do see this energy of blame game. I do this energy of sheer passion of, okay, let's fight with each other, because I'm not getting what I want from you, because I'm not getting exactly what I want from you, and I'm not getting any kind of action or reaction from your side. So let me create some kind of trouble. Let me create some kind of drama so that I can feel something is happening. Wow. So all you can expect from this person's side is argument, drama, fight, and they're doing it out of sheer passion, because they are not getting what they want and they're getting pissed off. So might be it could be possible that you're going to connect with them and they are going to fight with you, and or they're going to connect with you and you are going to fight with them, but that fight is going to convert into something very big if you guys are not going to be mindful and aware of what you guys are saying and doing in the situation. So this can convert into something very ugly very quickly. Now it's up to you what you're going to do about it. Guidance for you guys, Three of Wands. Keep moving ahead, keep moving ahead, keep moving ahead. Do not wait for this person to change. Do not wait for this person to come back around and show you love or show you something that they are not. You have to have the reality check from time to time about this situation and keep moving ahead. Don't be in this one foot in, one foot out situation kind of a deal, Aquarius. You are doing it from quite a long time now, especially from last 3 months. You're one foot in, one foot out of the situation, and you're continuously waiting and waiting and waiting for someone or something to change and show up in your life the way you want them. But are they doing it, or do they have the capability to do that ever in this lifetime? Understand my point here, honey. Reality check, reality check, reality check. Come back to your senses, Aquarius. Come back to your senses. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.